OpenAI has just finally shared complete Sora projects created using Sora text-to-video platform, and I wanted to share the top 3 videos here. These are not individual clips, they're entire projects, entire narrative stories here, and they posted about 7 of them, but I think these top 3 are going to show you exactly what this platform could do. Now, this very first one I'll share with you is called Airhead. It's pretty short, it's about a minute long, and this is not just completely created by AI, but Sora has created all the different clips here used in this video, but they have voiceover and music and things like that to bring it all together to make a comprehensive short film.
Well, they say everyone has something unique about them, something that sets them apart. It's just in my case, it's quite obvious what that thing is. I am literally filled with hot air. Yeah, living like this has its challenges. Windy days, for one, are particularly troublesome. Well, there was the one time my girlfriend insisted I go to the cactus store to get my Uncle Jerry a wedding present. Ugh. What do I love most about my predicament? The perspective it gives me. I get to see the world differently. I float above the mundane and the ordinary. I see things a different way from everyone else. Yeah, and I feel like it's because of that perspective I'm reminded every day that life is fragile. We're all just a pinprick away from deflation. So I try to live life with a lightness, a buoyancy, a joie de vivre. I got a lot of ideas keeping this thing full. With any luck, I'll find a way to share them with everyone else.
Now, what I found really interesting about this is in the beginning of it, you could really tell a comprehensive story with different shots that match, that are part of the same world. Right now, that's really hard with the current tech to do this kind of thing and to get this kind of motion. It's pretty much nowhere near this kind of technology what we have right now with different apps like Runway. So this was really interesting, and I'll just show you the workflow that I'm using right now to create these kind of things. So if you want to see what the technology is right now before Sora is released, we have this other YouTube channel called Era Pictures, and we have these trailers that are all made using these different types of AI tools, not Sora, but we create the images inside of Midjourney, and then we animate them using another app called Runway, and then we edit it in another app called DaVinci Resolve. So this basically shows you what's available to use right now. So if you want to check that out, I'll link this YouTube channel below. Now, this next one is by a creative agency, and these type of videos could really disrupt traditional commercials, television commercials. Let me play this one. So that first example could really disrupt the movie industry. This example could really disrupt the advertising commercial industry. Now, this next one is kind of a hybrid of animation and a little bit of documentary filmmaking, but it's made by someone that worked at DreamWorks Animation previously, and it's really, really interesting.
Welcome to Beyond Our Reality, a journey through parallel worlds, where we delve into the extraordinary. Episode 1 unveils the giraffe flamingo, a stunning hybrid that roams the savannah with grace and vibrant hues. In Episode 2, we ascend the flying pigs, charming creatures that redefine the skies with their harmonious flight. Episode 3 plunges us into the depths to discover the whale puss, an elegant blend of whale and octopus ruling the ocean's abyss. Episode 4 introduces us to the eel cat, an aquatic enigma that combines the sleekness of an eel with the curiosity of a cat. Episode 5 presents the bunny armadillo, a delightful mix of bunny charm and armadillo protection, captivating our hearts. Episode 6 features the horsefly, a small yet noble creature that buzzes with a blend of horse-like dignity and fly-like agility. Episode 7 explores the reptilian aru, a creature that leaps across the desert with the vigor of a kangaroo and the resilience of a reptile. Our adventure culminates in episode 8 with the fox crow, a fusion of fox cunning and crow freedom soaring through the forest's enigma. Join us on this mesmerizing journey through Beyond Our Reality, a journey through parallel worlds where the marvels of the unknown beckon.
And as you could see, this is a massive leap for not just filmmaking, traditional filmmaking, but what's possible with this technology. Some of these shots, I don't know how you would capture that shot, even with CGI and the current technology. And it's just basically a text prompt away. It's really mind-blowing that they could do this. And as you combine it with storytelling, voiceover, music, and obviously there's other AI tools that could do the voiceover and the music part, it's really going to disrupt a lot of different creative industries. But it's going to give us some new opportunities that we've never had before. And it's going to give a lot of new people opportunities to tell stories they've never had before. Let me know what you think of this technology. And I have a video coming up that's going to show you a new tool that's going to make storytelling a whole lot easier. It brings in a lot of these tools in the same place. That's going to be coming up later, and I'll see you then.